Hello guys, welcome to another Pixellab tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you how to create industry standard designs using your smartphone. So on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create the glass morphism effect, and by the end of this video, you should be able to create stunning designs using the glass morphism effect. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. Alright. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is to bring in our reference image that we'll be working with. So I'm going to go to my images on my phone, and I'm going to bring it as the background because I want to change the size of the screen. So quickly, I'm just going to do that. So this is the image you're going to be working with. So this is the image you're going to be working with for this glass morphism effect. So what we want to do is we want to put the glass morphism at this part of the design. So for example, let's say I want to put something here. So here, so we want the glass morphism to show at that part of the design. So you can see this shape I've created. So you can create your shape by clicking your shape tool, click on shape, and then you edit it and resize it how you want it to be, how you want the glass morphism to look like. So this is what I want mine to look like. So I'm going to place it here. So remember that our image is at the background. So what we're going to do now is we're going to save the image, the background as an image, and then save this shape as an image. So I'm going to start with the background. So this is the background. I'm going to save it as an image. Save as image, save as PNG, Ultra, save. Then I'm also going to save this as a transparent image. So I'm going to remove the background. So how did I do that? I'll go to my background interface and then click on transparent. So it goes out, and I save this as an image also. So after I'm done with this, the next thing you want to do is to go to your Chrome browser and click on blur images online, and then you click on this. When you click on this, then you choose file. Now you upload the image you just saved and you press upload. You wait for it to load, and then it's done. Then you will see this adjustable bar at the top. You see adjust focus, sharper, blurry. So you bring it closer to blurry. It depends on how blur you want the image to be. So let me say I want it to be, this is really okay, this is too much. So this is fine. So let's apply. You press apply, and then the blur will be applied to the image. Then you save to, you click on your device, and then it will be downloaded to your phone. So after you've done this, the next thing is to go back to Pixellab. So when you go back to Pixellab, now what you just have to do is to click on this image. You delete this particular one, then you bring back this one you saved, the shape you saved, you bring it back into Pixellab, and then you increase the size to 100, and you change the texture of this particular shape. So I'm going to click on texture, and I'm going to use the blur image as a texture. Do you see that? So the image is now showing on the shape, but because it's blur, it's still showing that it's blur, and it's showing that it's part of the image at the back. So it does not look like it's distorted. So it's the same image, but this particular part is blur. So now you now have to edit the blur morphism effect. So you're going to click on it, and then we're going to go to shadows and add some shadows to make it more realistic. So let's just add some shadows, and then we're going to add some inner shadow also. Sorry, not emboss, inner shadow. Yeah, so just reduce this a little. Then we're going to make this white. Yeah, so here you have it. You have your blur image and you have your glass morphism effect. So you can now right on this and your design can continue. So thank you for sticking to this point and see you in the next video. Do well to like and subscribe and prepare for more interesting videos. Also, send a message or comment and tell me what video you want to watch next or what tutorial you want to learn. Thank you.